Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how to add products inside your ClickFunnels account. ClickFunnels is one of my favorite tools. I have grown an incredibly successful business because of the tools that I use, and ClickFunnels is one of those tools. I just absolutely love it. Now, this video that you're watching right now is part of a whole series for how to create sales systems and sales funnels inside of ClickFunnels. So we're going to be linking out to the other videos below this one. So make sure that you check out the full length video where I'm going to be walking you through how to build funnels, etc. Not only that, if you watch this and you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I have created an incredible bonus for you worth $997. So check out the link below this video for how to access that bonus. So if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell, because we publish 3 times a week and I create in-depth tutorials such as the one that you are seeing right now. So do me a favor, as I'm really working hard on growing this channel, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up and turn on your bell so that YouTube will push this video to other people to see. So let's dive into the tutorial. We need to click over to products over here and then add the products. So assuming that you are all set up with your payment gateway, either on Stripe or on PayPal or whatever you are using, you want to click over here to add products over here. Once you get here, if you have more than one integration, you get to select the integration, but I'm going to select this because I only have Stripe over here. Then this is where you want to tell ClickFunnels exactly the type of payment you want it to be. Over here is subscription payment if it is a subscription. Over here is a payment plan if it is a payment plan. But if it's a one-time fee, i.e. they're only paying the one time, you click on that. Once you do that, you click on save and next over here. So it saves and it's going to move you over. So you can see very quickly that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps to go through. Now you want to name the product. So let's call this digital course. Whoops. And then you want to name it a price. I'm not sure what you want to name it, but let's call this $497, for example. And then over here, you want to choose your currency. Let's leave it as USD. Price display override. You might want to leave that blank. Shipping origin address. You can add that in if you are doing a physical product, but I tend to just leave this blank. Billing description. This will appear on your customer's credit card statements alongside your company name that will be set in your payment gateway. So I tend to just add in the name of the product in the billing description over here. Where is that? Okay, product description. Here you want to add some description about the product, and over here, if the products that you added here is the main product, you want to leave this grayed out because it's not the bump, right? If you have a limit to the products, then you want to turn this on and add the limit over here. But if it's a digital product, then you leave this off. Once you do that, you click on save and continue. And then it's going to move us to the next step, which is the create variations. This is optional, so just leave that and click on save and next. And then over here, you want to enable fulfillment email. Well, to be honest, I tend not to enable this because I want to integrate to ConvertKit. So if you enable it, you can add your email over here, but I believe you have to add on SMTP settings, etc., which I don't even mess with because I prefer my email autoresponder to do all of the emailing for me. And then thank you page over here, you want to either add the link over here or select none. Or you just grab the link from your thank you page and you add here, you click on save and next. And then it's going to take us to follow-up actions over here. When we get to follow-up actions, you definitely want to turn this on. Now, you can see that we have 2 softwares integrated. We have the ClickFunnels and we have ConvertKit. So here you want to definitely select ConvertKit. And this is where you want to add whoever has purchased to a specific form, you know, whatever your form is. So I'm going to select this one just because it's there, and to a specific list if you want to tag them as a buyer. For example, you've tagged them. The moment they purchase something from you, assuming everything is set up inside of your email autoresponder, they will instantly receive an email confirming their purchase. So once you have selected that, so this is very important. And by the way, if you cannot find the list, just click over here to refresh list from API and it will refresh your list and then you can find it then. If you arrive at this stage and you realize that your list or form doesn't actually exist, don't stress. Just go over to your email autoresponder and create it. Then come back over here, hit the refresh list, and then you will see it pop up. Then you click on save and next over here. Once you do that, we're at the shipping. Is this a physical product? No, it isn't. I'm going to leave this as gray. If yours is a physical product, turn it on, and then you select your integrations. You've got to integrate the company who is going to be delivering or shipping your product. So I'm going to turn this off because this isn't. Then you click on save and next over here. So now it is saving over here, and we are pretty much at the summary. So all ClickFunnels is showing you here is the summary of what you have done. So we know that we have a product called Digital Course. We know it's $497. We have turned some of these things off, and we have connected to ConvertKit. And all you do here is return to product list over here. And that's it. Now we have the product. Now, thank you so much for catching that tutorial. Like I said, ClickFunnels is one of my favorite tools. Once again, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you grab my link right below this video and get started for free for 14 days. And you get access to bonuses from me worth $997. So make sure you do. Take a look at what those bonuses look like. So I want to walk you through how to get your free bonuses with me if you sign up to ClickFunnels using my link. Complete disclosure, I absolutely love ClickFunnels. Like I've been saying, it's helped me massively with my business. And so I have some amazing bonuses, 3 bonuses actually, bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3 for anybody who signs up to ClickFunnels using my link. Now, first of all, how do you get to this page? You get to this page by going to www.pamobasa.com/ClickFunnels bonus. Okay, that's how you arrive at this page, and I will be linking out, posting the link to that, to this page right under the video. But I just want to walk you through the bonus of what happens. Now, you can get started with ClickFunnels with a 14-day free trial. So that means that over the course of 14 days, you could potentially have your funnels built and even start making money depending on how far you have gone with creating your funnels, and start making money before you even begin to pay for ClickFunnels. So the first bonus that I'm going to be giving you is how to fill your funnel organically. So I give you my complete Facebook organic marketing course. It's called the Facebook Marketing Hacks Intensive, and it's one of the best things that we have created that a lot of people buy from us, that really teaches you how to use Facebook the free way, right? So it's a highly sought after course, and I show you step by step how to use Facebook as a marketing machine for free, using little known methods that you can use to grow any business without spending any money on Facebook ads. So that is the first bonus. The second bonus is my high converting done for you social media marketing templates. For this, we give you a total of just over 365 posts that you can use for your business. These winning templates are incredibly high converting and have helped us to generate 6 figures organically. So that means without paying for any ads. And you can customize this to use for absolutely any business. And on the third bonus is that I'm going to be giving you access to my highest converting lead generation funnel, right? So this is something that you can easily swipe and start using inside of your ClickFunnels account straight away. So once you get access to this funnel, you get access to social media posts, and you get access to training for how to use Facebook. This is pretty much the trifecta for how to grow your business for free. And you get all of this as a bonus just for using my link. Now, how do you use my link? What you do is you click here, this massive button that says click here to claim your free bonus. And once you click here, it'll take you to open your account on ClickFunnels, which I'll be showing you how to do in a moment. And then, of course, right at the bottom, you have some instructions. So you sign up to my ClickFunnels account, or rather trial, using the button above. And then after you have done that, you wait 14 days and you send an email. You send a copy of your ClickFunnels receipt, right, in an email to me over here at hello@pamobasa.com with the subject, send me ClickFunnels bonuses, please. And my team will get this sent off to you. So once we've checked that everything is valid, we will send you all of the bonuses. So all of the instructions are on this page, as well as all of the amazing bonuses that you will be getting from us. These bonuses are amazing. These are the very things that have helped me to grow my business, and I'm so excited to be able to offer you these bonuses. So the link for this will be below this video, and so make sure you get access to ClickFunnels using my link by clicking on this yellow button. Brilliant. So you know what to do. Grab the link for the bonuses below this video. Now before we wrap, I want you to check out this video where I share the full video for how to build funnels inside of ClickFunnels. You get to see how I do it and why it's successful. Make sure you check it out right now, and I'll see you in my next video.